Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Wealthfront to automate contributions for emergency funds. To connect Wealthfront and automate contributions for your emergency fund, begin by logging into. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Accounts tab on the dashboard. Locate the option labeled Emergency Fund and click on it. If you haven't set up an emergency fund yet, follow the prompts to create one. After setting up your emergency fund, look for the Automate Contributions section. Click on Set up Automatic Contributions. Now, you will be prompted to select a contribution amount. Choose an amount that fits comfortably within your budget. Next, select the frequency of your contributions. Options usually include weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Once you've selected the amount and frequency, click on the Continue button. You may need to link an external bank account if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to securely link your bank account to Wealthfront. After linking your bank account, review your contribution settings to ensure everything is correct. If satisfied, confirm your settings to activate the automated contributions. Wealthfront will now begin transferring the designated amount into your emergency fund according to the schedule you've set. You can always return to the Accounts tab to adjust settings or review your contributions. Regularly monitor your emergency fund to ensure it's growing as planned. With these steps, you can successfully automate contributions to your emergency fund with Wealthfront. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.